Okay, so this is the unofficial unboxing video along with the first time user setup for the Micro 3D printer. First you have your outer box, which holds your serial number and the color of your printer, as well as the UPS or delivery tracking number. So first I'm going to take out the filament. And you'll notice that the filament is just on the side there. And then in here you have the printer and the power adapter and the USB cable. Now the box isn't totally closed, so watch out for any cables that fall out. Here's your USB and power adapter. And then you'll notice also that we have bubble wrap in here. And to easily get that out, pull one side up, like so, and then it should all just fall out. Please try to keep the packaging all together in case if you need a return. So now we have the printer here with the cable. So I'm just going to fix that a little bit to make it look nice. Also we have blue tape here, residue-free, foam, and the gantry clips. The gantry clips are very important that you need to take them off prior to printing so that you don't burn a hole in the bed area. So first I'm going to take tape off here, off the bottom. And next you can use scissors to cut this off, or you could just peel it from the bottom. Since I don't have scissors, I'm just going to try and peel it. Okay, next I'm going to take the foam out, and it should just push out with one finger. And then now, all that's left is the tape here. And then now you have the gantry clips. The gantry clips come off by pushing upwards so that they slide up off the gantry here, and then they slide up against the outer rail. And that's it. Once you've taken these gantry clips off, you can begin printing.